In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Wix. If you need to take your website offline temporarily, whether you're making major updates, fixing issues, or simply no longer want the site visible to visitors, Wix makes the process straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click. So you can do it confidently, start by going to Wix.com and logging into your account. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at your dashboard, where all of your sites are listed. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct website, especially if you manage more than one. Click on the site you want to unpublish to open its management area from there. Look to the left-hand menu, scroll down until you find Settings. Click on that, and then under the General section, select Website Settings. This is where Wix stores important information about your site, including its visibility and publishing status. If you've never been in this area before, just move slowly and read each label carefully so you don't miss the correct option. Once you are inside Website Settings, go to the very top of the page. You should see your site's current published status displayed there. On the right side of that section, you'll find the Unpublish button. Click it when you are ready to take the site offline. After clicking Unpublish, a pop-up message will appear. This warning is there to make sure you understand what's about to happen. Wix will let you know that your site will no longer be visible to visitors once it's unpublished. If that's what you want, click Unpublish again in the pop-up to confirm your choice. At that point, your site will be unpublished and no longer publicly accessible. Keep in mind that unpublishing a site does not delete it. Your content, design, and settings will still remain in your Wix account, so you can come back later, make changes, and publish it again whenever you are ready. That makes this a useful option if you want to pause your website without losing your work. One quick tip: after unpublishing, you may want to double-check the result by visiting the site's URL in a browser. That can help confirm the site is no longer visible to the public, and that's all to it. Thanks for watching.